Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online. You are welcome to my math segment. I am your instructor Sharvari Joshi. So now we are going to start a very interesting topic. Our topic is going to be cube roots of perfect cubes. As this topic is quite lengthy and bit difficult to understand, we will be separating this topic in two parts. So here is the part 1. Let's see how to do it.
Cube roots of perfect cubes part 1. What is cube rooting? When we multiply a number by itself, we say that we squared the number. Example, when we multiply 3 into 3, we get the answer as 9, which is the square of 3. When we multiply 4 into 4, we get the answer as 16, which is the square of 4. In squaring, we multiply a number by itself. But in cubing, we multiply the number by itself and then we again multiply the original number. For example, when we take the square of 2, that is 2 into 2, which is 4, then we have to multiply 2 again with the 4 so that we get the answer of the cube of 2. So we do 2 into 2, that is 4, and again into 2, that is 8. Similarly, we have also found out the cube of 3, that is 3 into 3 into 3, which is 27. Basically, in squaring, we multiply a number by itself, and in cubing, we multiply a number twice by itself. Now, since you have understood what cubing is, it will be easy for you to understand what cube rooting is. Cube rooting is the procedure of determining the number which has been twice multiplied by itself to obtain the cube. Calculating the cube root is the reciprocal procedure of calculating a cube. How to determine? Thus, if 8 is the cube of 2, then 2 is the cube root of 8. If 27 is a cube of 3, then 3 is a cube root of 27, and so on. The trick. We should note that the trick that we are using in this chapter is only for the perfect cube numbers. There is a different thing for non-cube numbers. Solving this, it is always good to memorize the cubes from 1 to 10 in order to find the answers quickly. Now, when you write the cubes from 1 to 10, underline the last digit of the answer. Example, the cube of 5 is 125, so I have underlined the last digit 5. Let's see. Cube of numbers. So 1's cube is 1, so 1 is underlined. 2's cube is 8, 3's is 27, 4 is 4, 5 is 125, 6 is 126, 7 is 343, 8 is 512, 9 is 729, and 10 is 1000. Now if we see here carefully, all the numbers like 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, the digits which are here in the cube numbers are same in these numbers. But the numbers which I have highlighted 2, 3, 7, 8. If we see, the digits are different, that is 2 and 8, 3 and 7, and similarly 7 and 3 and 8 and 2. Why do we underline? Now I would like to draw your attention to the underlined numbers in a key. You will notice that the underlined numbers have a unique relationship among themselves, as we see that only these 4 numbers are vice versa different, but all the rest numbers like 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 are same in the unit place of their cube's answer. In the first row, the underlined number is 1 and 1. It establishes a certain relationship that if the last digit of the cube is 1, the last digit of the cube root is also 1. In the second row, the underlined numbers are 2 and 8. It establishes a certain relationship that if the last digit of any cube is 8, then the last digit of the cube root is always going to be 2. The underlying numbers and the main number combination is same for all numbers. May that number be a 2-digit number or may that number be a 9-digit number. We know that if a certain number is in the units place of the cube, we know that the cube root is having the answer which we already found out from the 1 to 10 series. So if a cube root has a number 8 in it, so we know that the answer of cube will have 2, and similarly if a number has 7 in the ending place, we know that in the answer 3 is going to be there in the units place. What we conclude? All the other numbers end with the corresponding same numbers except for the pair of 3 7 and 2 8. Wasn't this easy?
So did you find this video helpful? Solve this kind of sums and share this video with all your friends. Do comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.